A. I already know it. My alphabet. It's a joke. Wait, do I? Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy. No, actually, it's your homie. No, actually, it's your friend. Alright, whatever. It is Camden Garris, back with another video. Now, today, I'm bored, so I'll be burping the alphabet. I've only done this like once or twice when I was a little kid, but I'm not a little kid anymore. I don't think. But anyways, I don't even know where my tripod is, and I'm stressing. It's probably in the car, but I mean, who really wants to go out and get it? Not me. Alright, anyways, let's do this. A. I don't even know how to burp. Oh, wow. Wait, what's next? It's I, right? I'll be back. Ha! I'm just kidding. I already know it. My alphabet. It's a joke. Wait, do I? A, B, C, D.
Boy, if you don't.
I. Wait. Am I on I? I. Whoa. L. Oh. I want to puke. And I have a light shining. Ah! I have a light shining in my face. Wait, am I Q? No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Q. R. S. Wait, what's that? Is it S, T? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. D. U. L. X. Alright, I just did that. I feel so sick now. But I don't feel like puking, but like I do. Sorry if this was boring. I was bored, and I don't know, maybe you guys will like it. I mean, I don't know, probably not, but I mean, you guys should watch more of my videos. Alright, we'll talk about this. I put a lot of time and effort into making my videos. It might not look like it or seem like that, but I do. Like, every day I spend like up to 3 hours. Okay? So it means a lot if you could like subscribe, like, comment, and like watch my videos and share them, because why not? I'm a kid. Yeah. But you guys are amazing, and I truly mean that. Go check out my Instagram.
Boring.
It's Camden Garris. And also check out my TikTok. I make my TikTok. Yeah, I make really funny TikToks. yeah, just go. Oh yeah, my TikTok's Camden Garris 17. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your Camden Garris checking out for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. It is your boy Camden Garris checking out for now, and peace.